Easy English Practice. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's lesson. I'm Sean, and today we're going to discuss a question that many of you have asked. Can I effectively learn to speak English while living in a non-English speaking environment? The answer is absolutely yes. And in this lesson, I'll show you how. Section 1. The challenges. First, let's talk about the challenges. When you're not surrounded by English speakers, it can feel a bit difficult to immerse yourself in the language. You might not have many opportunities to practice speaking or listening in a natural setting. But don't worry, these challenges can be overcome with the right strategies. Section 2. Strategies for learning English. Let's dive into the strategies that will help you create your own English-speaking environment, no matter where you live. Tip 1. Engage with online communities. Some popular online English learning platforms that you can use at home include Duolingo, Babbel, Coursera, English Central, YouTube English learning channels like MJ English Learning. Learn English. One of the best ways to practice English is by joining online communities. There are many platforms where you can connect with native speakers or other learners. Apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or even joining English speaking groups on social media can provide you with regular practice. You can find language exchange partners who want to learn your native language, so you both benefit from the exchange. Tip 2. Practice speaking daily. Even if you're alone, you can still practice speaking. Try narrating your day in English, talking about what you're doing, or repeating sentences from something you've read or heard. It might feel a bit strange at first, but it's a powerful way to get comfortable speaking English out loud. Section 3. Putting it all together. So, can you effectively learn English while living in a non-English speaking environment? Absolutely. By engaging with online communities, immersing yourself in English media, practicing speaking daily, and setting consistent goals, you'll be well on your way to fluency. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're just part of the learning process. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and soon you'll find yourself speaking English with confidence. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these tips help you on your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.